Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's session we will see how you can define your package dependency in web method. Okay, so why package dependency is required? So in some cases, X package depends on another package, and like X and Y package is there. Y packages you are you are performing some deployment. Let's say you are performing some deployment, one package moving to another server. Okay, that case Y package load before your X package, and X package and Y package dependence on each other. Okay, so that case you need to define your package dependency in your code so that at the time of version control, at the time of deployment, yeah, at the time of committing your code in your big bucket, you can avoid such a kind of a complex. So how you can define the package dependency, implementation of package dependency? Let's start the demo. So let me quickly open the designer. Okay, here we have one package, flat file package. Okay, and in flat file package we have one service, invoice flow service, and in that flow service we have one inbuilt service we use convert to values. Okay, so this service, uh, it's part of your wm flat file package. How you can check? Just show in package navigator. In package navigator you can check this service we use this part of your wm flat file pub dot convert dot values. Okay, and if you are deploying this package only, flat file pkg, this package from your one server to another, but again this service is part of your package, this service again you use in your package. So but obvious you need to define in package dependency this service also you need to load. Okay, so how you can do that? In flat file package, whatever package you want to move from one server to another, just right click a particular package and then click on properties. Here we have option add dependent package. So browse the particular package, and the package name is wm flat file. Okay, just let me check. Okay, wm flat file package, then okay. After that, version you can not mention like 10.7, 10.15, the star dot star, and then click on ok. Apart from that, if you use any kind of wm public date string function, yeah, mathematical function, that case you can also just click on that particular function, browse this particular package like wm public. Okay, we require wm public package. So just select that particular package, then version star dot star, and then okay. Now this package I not use in this particular service. If you want to delete, just use this option. You can delete the particular dependency. Okay, so that way whatever packages you use, like in your interface you are using some inbuilt client services as well, that case you need to also mention the package dependency. Why? Because if you are deploying the packages from one server to another, if you receive the package dependency error, how you can ignore such kind of complex. Yeah, x function, x package depends on y package, and y package like y package loading before your x package, and the dependence package. So but obvious we require a dependency, we require a package dependency. How you can define? Just right click your particular package, check the package dependency, mention the all the packages and versions, and you can just apply and close, so that whatever package dependency you have, it will apply in your particular package, and you can avoid such a kind of conflicts. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe your own channel, and also keep supporting. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much.